If you want to unlink your email from Epic Games, this quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to do it step by step. This is helpful if you connected the wrong email, want to switch accounts, or just want to manage your linked accounts more securely. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open the Epic Games website in your browser and sign in to the account you want to update. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. This opens your account options. From there, click on Account. That will take you to your Epic Games account settings, where you can manage your personal details and connected services. On the account page, find the section labeled Linked Accounts and click on it. This is where Epic Games shows all the external accounts connected to your profile, including Google, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, and other services. Now look for your linked accounts list and find the Google account or email connection you want to remove. Click the drop-down arrow next to Google to expand the options. Once the connection details appear, select Unlink. Epic Games may ask you to confirm your choice, so go ahead and approve the unlinking if prompted. After that, the email or linked Google account will be disconnected from your Epic Games account. At this point, it's a good idea to double-check that the account no longer appears in your linked accounts list. If it's gone, then you've successfully unlinked it. And that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to unlink an email from Epic Games in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial saved you time, please give this video a like and make sure you subscribe for more gaming account tips, tech tutorials, and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.